Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today I thought I should make this video to showcase some of the model cars for you. This is the ones that I sell. I have about the similar for my collection because it's time I order for the store and then I order one extra for me. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this here before they're gone, because probably they're gonna be sold in a couple of days. So because here the stock is low, I don't know if I find them to buy them again. So it's a good idea to make a video for you and show them with a close-up. So yeah, this is Matchbox. It's the slingshot in the blue color, very nice. Here we have a police car, a Chevy police car, also Matchbox. This is one of my favorites. It's a hot rod Ford, very nice. It has also the flames here. And this is another slingshot in different color and also different graphics on the box. This has this graphics, this has this graphic. It's different box. This one also is very nice. This is a very nice Cadillac. I really like this model. Let me show you also like this so you can see how they look from the front and the back. I like it when they have painted the taillights and the headlights. In some they do that, in some they don't. And in this row we have the Camaro from Hot Wheels. Prices go up. I bought it for €2 in wholesale price. So prices, I see the prices going up like on eBay, and I thought that it was only for the collectibles, but the price is going up in general because of the situation in the world. So now they get pretty expensive. So this is the Camaro model. I hope you can see the details. I try to show it to you as best I can. This is Dodge. I like Dodge cars. No painted taillights, no painted headlights, but very nice graphics, and the color, this blue with the orange windows, is so cool. This is another Dodge. It has a spoiler. In the front they've done some details. The Challenger drift car. This is a very nice Hammer. Yes, it's electric, but it's a nice style. I like the design. Nice details, nice color. So it's the Hammer EV. I saw some people try to sell it like convertible, Hammer convertible, but this is the official name, Hammer EV. Okay. This is the supercharged. I'm guessing it's the one that Hot Wheels make, their own design. It looks very nice, looks very fast. I will open mine and test it in the drag track. I have the drag strip track. Here is another one that I like, that has nice colors and nice design. Also Hot Wheels inspired. This is from the art series. It's a Camino. I think I have this in another color somewhere. I don't know if I have it. Oh, it's here. Here's the other color. I like them both. And this is another Hot Wheels inspired. Very cool. There is a glare from the plastic, but I hope you can see the details. And this is another one very nice. It's the Nissan Leaf. It's the electrified series. Unfortunately, no details in the taillights and the headlights, but in the side it looks nice. And this is another one, the Gasser. I think this is new series. I'm not sure. Nice graphics and color. This is Ford from Matchbox, and it's a cell truck. You can see from the gasoline. Also cool truck. This is something that here we don't find often. It's a Toyota Hilux, very nice color, very nice details, super nice model. I love it. And this is the Volvo station wagon, classic car. This is been for a couple of years, this series. It's a Bel Air. It's with the long box. This is also very nice, Hot Wheels inspired. I have another color for this too, somewhere around here. This is the Porsche from the Matchbox. Very nice. I like also the green one. I used to have it, but now it's finished. And this is basically the only one left. I think it's gonna sell fast. Yeah, this is also very nice from Matchbox. It's garbage truck. And this is a armored car. Very nice color. This is the Mazda, also beautiful. I have also from Hot Wheels the red one, which is this is a rare series. This is a Tesla. Yeah, it's a Tesla Model X. And this is also very nice truck that I like. Some people like Ford trucks, some people like Chevrolet trucks. I have it also in big scale RC car. It's very nice. And I have also Chevrolet RC car, big scale. This is, I think you've seen this a lot of times, it's the Dodge van. I like it. Many people don't like it, but I like this model. Nice color, nice details. I think that in the end it's gonna be like a rare model. Now they don't sell much, but I think a time will come that people will look for it and they won't find it. Here is also a nice van. It's a Ford Transit with cool graphics. Here is the NSX from Acura. This is from, I think, a game series. Yes, from the Forza Motorsport. I have in my personal collection all this series. But for sale, it's only this left, I think. Maybe another one. So this is the Porsche from Hot Wheels. 1944 model turbo. Very nice. I used to have the silver one. I have both in my personal collection, and this is the only one left for sale. And accidentally damaged the box, and now you can see it has these marks, and because someone tried to open it. Anyway, this is the Mazda SUV CX-5. I like this in real life also. This is a classic Plymouth car. This is the UK taxi car. I don't remember how they call it. And I don't see the name here. This is the name, Levk TX Taxi. Nice graphics. And this is the Mercedes-Benz SUV GLE. Nice details. Volkswagen Beetle, also very cool. And it has also this, so you can pull trailers or like trailer house. Nice. This is also very nice from Hot Wheels. It's a Land Rover, it says classic. From the look, I think that it's like the very old Defender, something like that. It has nice details in the front, and they don't have much detail, but in the back they have the tail lights and the license plate and some stickers, which is nice. This is the Covert, this is the Hot Wheels, very nice model, I like it. Also one of my favorites is this charger, very nice details. The Mazda I showed you earlier. And this one is another Challenger. And here we have the Datsun, which is also nice. Not my favorite, but it looks nice. This is another forward force. I showed you earlier the other color, which was the orange with the blue. This is the purple with the chrome. Very nice. One of my favorites also, the Stingray. You can see here. And this is another very nice Corvette that I like from the Fast and the Furious series. And this one is also very nice. I think they launched this model last year, if I am correctly. They had 2-3 different, at least here they had 2-3 different models with the same style, color and graphics. Very cool. They say it was limited edition or something like that. And here we have the McLaren and another one. This is a Honda Civic, very cool. I bought more of this and also other versions. They will arrive today. I'm very excited for this. This is another Honda Civic. And now we go to see some more. Here is the Matchbox Porsche Cayenne with very nice details front and back. And here we have some Fast and the Furious models. Very nice. I like the green and the blue very much, and the red one. And this is another Matchbox boxed truck, and some others here also boxed. Very cool models. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it and you found it useful. I'm gonna make another video soon with a new batch. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and bye bye. See you.